use your imagination. You better use your imagination.
Hey y'all, so I'm just gonna give a quick little intro, I guess, to my dorm. But yeah, so I stay at Bethune Annex, which is a all-girls dorm, freshman all-girls dorm at Howard University. And yeah, there's actually a living space outside of my dorm. Since there's 2 dorms in this suite, there's a little mini area to sit down and stuff, but it's looking kind of crusty, so I didn't show that in the video. But yeah, I low-key do a lot of like rambling throughout the video, but most of the stuff I either got from Five Below, Target, or Walmart. So yeah, here's my room. So this is the little closet for like everyone to use. Then here's the bathroom. Boop. Got the little, shower curtain, toilet. And here we've got the mirror. But yeah, there's a sink. So I stay in a suite. So this is my room and this is my side of the room. So here's my closet. Got a nice little A for Autumn. I got this at what's it called? Five Below. It was like $3 or something. It was pretty cheap. Then I got some of my clothes hung up. I only have like 20 hangers, so that's why most of my stuff isn't in here. Got my little shower caddy, my unused towels right there. The towel and washcloth that I use, I put right there. I've got snacks in that Barnes & Noble bag. Oh, these are my jackets right here. This is my robe, my Howard hat, Tupperware, plates. And I've got my suitcase and my duffel bag. And I've got clothes in there and stuff because like obviously I don't have enough hangers. But I've got my laundry stuff and like cleaning stuff in this bag. And in that bag I've got like something, I forget. I think extra stuff that I didn't put in the little basket on my desk, but I'll show y'all that later. Got my little shower shoes because I'm not touching the tub with my feet bare. That's just nasty. Got my little toilet paper. My backpack I put on top of this tote. My pajamas I put in there so my bed can look pretty. But yeah, and then I've got my forks, spoons. I've got plastic cups behind this thermal that I got from the African burial ground in New York City. I've got plates. So this isn't even my mirror. This is my roommate's, but it's on my side of the room, so I also use it. Hey. So then boom, this is the mirror with the light that we have in our room. So like if you got to do your makeup or something, you don't want to go to the bathroom, you can just do it right here. And then there's a little sink beneath. Boop. So my cousin Michael actually gave me this mini fridge and it still has the Lmfao sticker on it. Boop. But yeah, so me and my roommate share this and there's probably nothing in here but my juice because you know, raspberry lemonade is life, am I right? So this is my desk. I got this poster from the Black Women March that I went to a few weeks ago. I have a vlog on that if you want to go see it. Me and my friend Tiana went together. So yeah, I kept the poster and I put it on my desk to, you know, add a little something. If you didn't notice, most of my stuff is like blue, turquoise, and black. So yeah. I've got this little mirror that I got from Five Below. And then I have my makeup bag because it's too big to fit in here. I got this little clock from the thrift store for like $3. Doesn't even work, but you know, it looks cute. And then I got this little name tag thing from Disney World for my senior trip. And the funny thing is, it says Autumn Street and my name is Autumn Street. Like, bruh, mind blown. But yeah, I got this little lamp from Five Below and it doesn't even work. I'm mad. Like I put batteries in it and it still doesn't work, but you know, whatever. Then I've got this, like, you know, I've got hair gel, body scrub, moisturizing cream, and then like basically all my necessities in this little blue basket thing. So whenever I need it, I can just bloop, pick it up and go. I've got this cute little dream catcher that I got from Five Below. because it's turquoise, and I was like, it would match my bed sheets. Also, the chair that came with this desk, like this was already in my room, and so was the chair. It matches my decor, so that's cool. And I've got this black hamper that, I put my dirty clothes in there. And plus, when I go to wash my clothes, it has a little bloop, a little strap so you can drag it across the ground and not have to break your back, which is cool. So here is my bed. As you can see, it has a cute little elephant on it. My cousin Kwame bought this for me. So shout out to you, Kwame. And then I went to Target and I got this cute little leaf because, my name's Autumn, it's fall, whatever. And then I wrote my name on it. Low key, the dots aren't symmetrical, but just pretend that they are. And then I got this little thing. It says Wanderlust, and I bought it from Five Below. Got a lot of stuff from there. Not only does this go with my color scheme, but I also like this because I love traveling, and Wanderlust, it's about traveling and stuff. So I was like, oh, this is so cute, I need to pick it up. If you watched my college dorm haul, you saw me pick this up. I'll link that in there, self promo. But yeah, and then I got this pillow that says girl power because we need lots of that in the world. But yeah, I got it from Five Below along with this round pillow, which is, if y'all didn't know, dark blue is my favorite. Oh, there's lint. But dark blue is my favorite color, and I just love blue with gold. That combo is elite, I'm telling you. But yeah, and I got this cute little pillow that went with the bed sheets or whatever. And then, featuring my pink bottle. Victoria's Secret sponsor me. Underneath my bed, I've got these cute little slippers. I'm pretty sure I got them at Walmart. And then I have these two totes that my grandma gave me. So I have I put all my dresses and rompers and stuff in the tote below. And then on the tote above, it has my shoes and stuff. So, I can keep it organized or whatever. And yeah. So unlike CHN, Bethune Annex actually has kitchens and stuff so you can cook. So each floor has a kitchen. I live on, actually, I'm not going to tell y'all what floor I live on. Just know that I live here. But yeah, so there's a kitchen on my floor. Every floor has 2 washing machines and 2 dryers. So, there's 30 people on each floor, maybe 35. So it's kind of basically you just need to go on a day when no one's gonna go, so that way you can get your clothes washed and be done. But yeah, there's also a mini gym on the first floor, so that's cool. I try to go down there and work out often. When I say often, I mean twice a week if I'm lucky. Most of the time I just go once a week, but I'm trying to get better, so yeah. But yeah, I'm just really happy because back home my room was actually really bare. I didn't have any posters or pictures on my wall or anything really. I had 2 little pictures on my wall from when I was 14, and I wasn't supposed to put it on my wall because it's gonna chip the paint when I rip it off, but I loved One Direction, so I did it anyway. But yeah, so this is pretty cool, having decor on my walls and just a cute little bed scheme or whatever, and my desk is pretty cute too. So this is new and I like it. So yeah, my room's pretty simple as you guys saw, but I like it a lot. So yeah. Also, I would like to give a shout out to my friend back home, Aziza, because she's been commenting on all of my videos asking about when I'm gonna do this room tour. So yeah, shout out to you, and I finally did it. Alright, thank y'all for watching, and if you want to see, I don't know, more college stuff, comment below, or whatever you want to see, just comment below. So, yeah. But alright, bye!